Hey guys, I'm going to show you my limb bands, colorful limb bands. It said here is twist, loop, and create amazing jewelry. It also said here is the ultimate rubber band bracelet maker. Let's see the back one. And there's it. Let's open it. I'm sorry guys. Let's open it. Wait a minute. It's also open. And I got open. We got instruction. We got is open. We got the limb band colorful. We got beads, a C-clip. We got the hook. Just push. And we got from band. What is this one? And that's it. The band subscribe. And wait, guys. And then, wow! Amazing blue bands. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for a lot more from my video. Bye.